Welcome people, welcome to this brand new WordPress tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you create exactly the same website like me. You're going to create a very beautiful website with WordPress and with the WordPress Elementor page builder. In this video, I'm going to show you how you create a hosting account. I'm going to navigate to get started and we get our domain and hosting at HostGator. So right over here, you've got three plans: the hatchling plan, the baby plan, and the business plan. I highly recommend the baby plan because with the baby plan, you host unlimited domains, and with the hatchling plan, with nearly the same price, you host only one domain. So this is a very important step. So I should choose for the baby plan. Right over here, you can enter your domain name. I'm going to call Jared My Design. Okay, right over here. And you can select a pricing plan. I highly recommend 1 month, and here you can select the hatchling or the baby or the business plan. So I recommend the baby plan. And right over here you can enter your information. You can check out with your credit card or with PayPal. So yes, and right over here you don't need it, and we want it so cheap as possible. And right over here you can enter the coupon code Jared26, and which will give you a large discount on the first month. So right over here is your discount, just $28.29. Okay, right over here, I'm gonna agree. So let's install WordPress. WordPress is the content management system that we need for this tutorial. So we are going to install WordPress on your hosting panel. You need hosting because you need to install WordPress on it. So WordPress is completely free. And right over here, I'm gonna click on install. And I'm gonna select my primary domain. Select here a domain that you just purchased as hostgator.com. I'm going to call it another tutorial. You can keep that directory empty, or for practicing you can use it. Right over here you're going to enter your password. So I'm going to call this, for example, my new site. And right over here, and you can choose templates, design, and click install. If you want to email your details to email, just enter your email there and click install. So I don't want to save this password. And it's installing right now, and I will come back when it's finished. So now we are going to install the Elementor page builder, a very popular page builder for WordPress. Right over here, I'm going to search for Elementor, and I'm going to click on install now. I knew this plugin when it got 100,000 installs. It got now more than 5 million installs. So right over here, I'm going to activate it, and I'll wait until it's loaded. So we need to set up this right over here. You can continue with the hello team, so your team will automatically install right now your design. Right over here, I'm going to call it my tutorial, and I will go to the next step. If you have a logo, you can add it there, and right over here you can browse from 100 templates or import your own. Link is in the description. Right over here we are going to show you the Elementor templates. So templates are actually designs that you can implement. So I'm going to navigate on Popular. And I will wait. And you got free templates. So I'm going to navigate to the free templates. They are not looking beautiful, but if you want a more familiar, better website that looks really more advanced, you can purchase the Elementor page builder. So that is, link is in the description. And you can make almost any website with Elementor. Take a look. If you want to create a business website, you can select the template and import it in one click. So it's much cheaper than you go to web development company. Sorry. So I highly recommend to use Elementor because it's fast, good, clean, and fresh designs. So okay, and now I'm gonna navigate to the plugins and add new. I'm gonna search for themes. So it's searching right now, and we are going to install a theme layout pack, so you can implement designs in just minutes. I'm gonna navigate to the plugin, and that is right over, let me look, there. Okay, SKT templates. So right over here, links in the description. I click install, and I will wait until it's installed. So I'm gonna click on Elementor templates, and here you got a lot of beautiful free designs that you can implement in just one click. So you don't need any coding else required for this. So I'm gonna import one, and you can make almost any website in this tutorial. So I highly recommend to build your website by your own. So right over here you got beautiful designs if you wanna build a beautiful website. So yes. Let's look further to all the designs to show you what you can do with WordPress. WordPress is very easy. In the beginning it's maybe a little bit hard, but if you practice it will become easier and easier. So normally you pay like $60 for a template, and here they are free. You only pay for the hosting, and if you want to implement Elementor templates you pay for Elementor. But this is totally free. So right over here I'm going to implement one theme to show how it looks. Okay, it's loading, so this is looking really professional for your website, in my opinion. So you can import it also in one click. If I click on the blue import button right above there, you can import this template. So I'm going to search for another template to show you what you can do with this plugin. So you need this plugin to install the templates. It's totally free. So I'm going to take this one because this one looks very nice in my opinion. And so let me look, and so okay, this is your site right now. It's looking really professional. So you get your up and running in just 10 minutes. So right over here, I'm going to change this to show you how you customize your website right now. I'm going to type here whatever you want. Just drag and drop. So much easier than programming your own website. Right over here, I'm going to enter something, for example, welcome to this site, or to my portfolio. Welcome people. So this is your site right now, and we're going to customize this. So I'm going to use an image, and I already downloaded the images from runsplash.com. Right over here, I'm going to insert the media and take a look how it looks. Okay, this is looking beautiful in my opinion. It's fresh, clean, and modern. But we're going to customize a lot of this. So I'm going to show you how you create almost any website with this page builder. With this themes, sorry. Right over here, you can trash something easily. Saves hours of programming. And right over here, you can click on it, insert your YouTube link if you want to promote your video on your website. So I want to show you, it's not hard. Maybe in the beginning, it looks always difficult in the beginning, but you will learn more and more about the Elementor page builder. And first time when I used the Elementor page builder, it was really difficult for me. But now I have some knowledge about it, so it's really easy. Right over here, I want to show the beautiful website we just created in minutes. So this is beautiful in my opinion. So let's switch to the Elementor page builder. Right over here, you can insert blocks and pages. The most are premium blocks, so if you want to build a fancier website or more complex, you can implement pro blocks if you purchase Elementor. So right over here, and I'm gonna select for testimonials, and I will import one. Let me look, and I will import this one. This one is very clean and modern. So okay, we're gonna implement the last block for this website, and I'm gonna click on insert, and we are nearly done. So the last section that we're going to add, the block, is this one, so the contact us section. So enter here your whatever you want and your email in the green text. So let's take a look how it looks right now. Okay,